Hi friends, DIY already here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a lighthouse using some existing old planters, and for lighting I just used a big solar light from Walmart. Too much sun outside. So as usual, before we start today's video, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. And hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please hit the like button and comment below in the comment section so that I can connect with you. So before wasting any more time, let's start. Let me show you. So these are the planters I'm gonna work with. Can you see? You can see they all have different diameters and shape. Basically, when I bought them from Home Depot long time ago, I didn't have any plan for lighthouse, so they all look different, which turned out to be a good thing, I guess, because now I can stack them in decreasing order and use that smaller plate as an upper balcony. What happened, honey? What happened, honey? Hi. Did you find the grape? Grape, yeah. Let me check what it's doing before I start anything. Oh no, I knew it. Grapes are everywhere. Honey. Are you? The grapes are babies. Please don't pick them up. Are you? Please don't pick them up. Okay? Stone.
Stone.
Stone, yes.
Yeah. Are you? So hi.
Say hi. Yeah. So I sprayed a plastic sheet before I started painting because spray paints are totally messy. The first step is cleaning the planters. Cleaning is very important, otherwise the color wouldn't stick to it. I'm going to use this gloss cherry red spray paint from Walmart to cover the edges of the planters. I don't know what I was thinking. I started working without wearing gloves, and that was definitely a mistake. All of my fingers became cherry red. Just spray the second coat before leaving it to dry for at least half an hour. It was around 20 minutes already and everything dried nicely because of the hot weather. I'm using blue masking tape to protect the raked borders. I'm planning to use a white paint to get a realistic lighthouse look. I would probably skip taping this roundish convex planter. I have to paint that carefully with my brush. After protecting the edges, I painted red the whole part of that convex planter. Then I used this fast dry spray paint for the body of the planters. Okay guys, that was a huge mistake. I will never buy this brand again. I was tempted for the price tag, but it was a complete waste. The white spray paint is like, it didn't work well, so I decided to go for a different paint. It's Bare Premium Plus White. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the new paint covered like magic. I used a foam brush to cover. It normally works faster for this kind of stuff. Even though I painted red the roundish planter before, but then I decided to go for a white border as well. It's not perfect because I didn't put a masking tape around it, and it's difficult because it's kind of this. I will fix it later for sure. So this tape is done. Now I will just let it dry. I'm gonna wait for half an hour. Let's see how it works. So the white paint is dry now. This is going to stay outside, so I am using E6000 instead of hot glue or something weaker. I am stacking them as planned, one at a time. I quickly realized the biggest tray will make the tower unstable, so I decided not to use that. I finished gluing all the planters. It takes around 24 hours to dry it completely, but I'm not gonna wait that long. Meanwhile, my sons are ready for their afternoon nap. Normally, they don't nap at the same time. After Yuvan goes to sleep, Ayu will spend some time with me. What is that?
Rhombus.
Rhombus? How about this?
How about this?
How about this?
Octagon.
How about that one?
What is that? Hexagon. Pentagon. Triangle. Pentagon.
Parallelogram.
Rectangle.
What is that?
Two. Piece of pyramid. Triangle. Sphere. Cylinder.
Ah, you got A plus.
Octopus.
My alphabet. Okay. So I gave myself 45 minutes max, 30 minutes if possible, to finish this painting and decoration. Both the boys are sleeping and they can be up any moment, so I have to be quick. In case you are wondering, I am using simple acrylic black paint for this. Drawing some rectangles to make it look like doors. Now using this kind of dark yellowish oil paint to draw the stairs and other details. I have started from bottom. One door at a time, and every door reveals the stairs at opposite directions. Now just drawing the brick walls. I had limited time, so I just finished it quickly and very roughly. You can definitely go for more detail. I'm using both hot glue and E6000 to attach the rhinestones. The reason is E6000 takes longer to dry and the rhinestones will slide down after a while. The hot glue will keep them in place. I chose the rhinestones similar color of what I used for the lighthouse. After the smaller pieces are done, I glued some bigger ones too. And you can see there are like stairs going up and down, and then bricks. Let's see how it works at night. So guess what, both of my boys are sleeping right now, and I literally had half an hour. I mean, that was my target, and they are still sleeping, so I could have done more on it, but I just decided to finish it anyway because mom needs some rest too. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and also click the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube, because I'm coming every week with my new videos. So stay tuned and see you in my next video. Till then, stay well. Bye.
Bye-bye.
My neighbor just started working outside. It's too much noise. I hope I can cancel the background noise. It's hot.